Cucumber magic for kidney. If you're looking for practical tips, insightful information, and effective remedies to improve your well-being, you've come to the right place. Are you looking for a natural way to promote kidney health? Look no further than cucumbers. These hydrating veggies contain compounds that can help improve kidney function. Cucumbers are low in potassium, making them kidney-friendly for those with certain medical conditions. They are also a great source of antioxidants, which can reduce inflammation in the kidneys. Cucumbers are high in water content, which helps to flush out toxins and support kidney function. Including cucumbers in your diet may help prevent kidney stones from forming. The vitamins and minerals in cucumbers can help keep your kidneys healthy and functioning optimally. Cucumbers are not just a refreshing and crunchy addition to salads and snacks, they also pack a powerful punch when it comes to maintaining kidney health. With their high water content and low potassium levels, cucumbers can be a beneficial addition to the diet of anyone looking to support their kidneys. In fact, these humble vegetables are loaded with essential nutrients like vitamins B and K, as well as antioxidants like beta-carotene, all of which can play a vital role in promoting optimal kidney function. From promoting hydration to reducing inflammation, cucumbers offer a plethora of benefits for kidney health. Their high water content helps to keep the body hydrated, which is essential for maintaining proper kidney function. Additionally, the antioxidants found in cucumbers can help to fight inflammation, which is often a contributing factor to kidney damage. With their ability to support detoxification and promote overall kidney health, cucumbers are a versatile and nutritious food that can easily be incorporated into a balanced diet to benefit your kidneys. Try adding cucumber to salads, smoothies, or simply snacking on slices for a kidney-friendly boost. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes. So why not incorporate this refreshing and nutritious vegetable into your kidney health routine today? Join our community and embark on a journey to a better, happier, and more vibrant you. Subscribe now for more related health remedy solutions.